Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. So we are in case 2 of simple equation. This is case 2 of simple equation, cross multiplication. So let's see. Now when do we use cross multiplication? When we have when we have at least a fraction in one side of the equation. It can be two fractions, fine. Just like example one, two fractions, one on the left hand side, one on the right hand side. Or we can have a case where we have one fraction, maybe one on the left and then a whole number on the right, or one on the right and a whole number on the left. But what cross multiplication entails that it has to be in the form that there is a fraction and you have only two terms. These things we are seeing here are terms. We have only two terms. One of it should be a fraction. So let's quickly jump into the solving. This is a very simple case. It's just to do what we call cross multiplication. So let's see solution. What do we have? 2 over 3 equal to x all over 6. Now what do we do in this case? We do what we cross multiply. What are we doing there? You see this 2 will multiply with this 6 and then the 3 multiplies with the x. So this implies, let's start with where we have the coefficient or where we have the variable, sorry. So 3 will multiply x, 3 times x, this will give us 3x is equal to 2 times 6 and that will give us 12. That's all. And then you should, looking at this looks like something we've done before, looks like something we've done before. So you now see that you can't leave your answer like this. So we need to take it, we need to apply case one. We need to apply case one now to take us to where we have our value of the unknown. So what do we have? This will give us, at this point, we now divide both sides. We've talked about this. Divide both sides by 3. That will give us 3x equal to 12. This is over 3 and then over 3. So x is equal to 4. That's what we are looking at. Okay, and then we move to example 2, solution. What do we have? 4 over 9 equal to 2x all over 45. And what do we have? Cross multiply. So 9 times 2x, this implies 9 times 2x, that will give us 18x is equal to 4 times 45. 4 times 45, that will give us 180. So at that point, we'll do divide both sides by 18, and that will give us 18x equal to 180 all over 18 and all over 18. So this will cancel, and then our x will be equal to 180 divided by 18. That will give us 10. We move to case 3, or sorry, number question 3. So this will give us minus x all over 3 equal to 5. This 5 is saying 5 over 1. So we cross multiply. Minus x times 1, that will give us minus x. That's equals to 3 times 5, that will give us 15. We can't leave our answer like this because this is minus x. We are looking for x. So we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is minus 1. And that will give us minus x equal to 15 all over minus 1 all over minus 1. This cancels this, and then our x is equal to plus divided by minus, minus 15 divided by 1. That will give us 15. And that's our answer. So this is case 2, cross multiplication. When do we use cross multiplication? When we have just two terms, then either one of them or the two of them are fractions. And of course, one should be on the left hand side, the other one should be on the right hand side of the equation. Take note. And then you have your activity here, 12 questions to look at. And don't forget, your answer can be a fraction. Your answer can be decimal number. It's not a must that it's the whole number. If you solve and then you have something like y equals to 3/4, it's correct. Y equals to 0.2, it's correct. But what we want to see is we want to see y equal to, we want to see x equal to. We don't want to see 2x equal to. We don't want to see minus x equal to. We need x equal to, because we are solving for the unknown. Whatever you see, solve for the unknown. So we want to know the value of the unknown. And the unknown is just x, is y, is z, and others. Thank you very much for watching this video. This is case 2. So I'll see you in case 3. Please like, subscribe, and also share to others.